Good morning. Good morning. I hope that everyone is doing well. And I want to thank my subscribers first off of the bat for all that you do, for your loyalty, for your trust in me, and for your support. Thank you so much for all that you do to contribute to this channel. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, my question is, what are you waiting on? Come on and join the Gene G family, where I upload at least 2 videos every week. And you will know if you subscribe and click the notification bell every time I upload a video. So come on and join us. I am going to take this head wrap off of my head. I'll show you a video of what I did last night. when I was doing this to my hair, it was just because. And then I decided, record. And so that's what I did. So now, this could be an updo for the day, but it's cold outside. I know some people think that it does not get cold in South Carolina. But for the people who live in South Carolina, when it gets a certain temperature, we feel like it's cold. Now, if you live in the upstate or you live in the north of the United States and you were to move here, you'd probably just laugh at us and say, we don't know what cold is, but it's cold. And so today, for the first time, I have on a turtleneck and I've layered myself. Oh yeah, because I'm going to be warm. But I'm going to take this down and see what happens. But when I say it could be an updo, but it's not going to be, it's because I'm going to try to wear a hat today. And I'll show you the hat that I'm going to wear. It's not the hat that I've had on in previous videos, because that hat now lives in Tennessee. Someone visited me and my family, and they really liked that hat, so I let them have it. Now, as I take this down, I am going to show you a definition real quickly right now. The definition that you just saw was bud, and it talks about a plant, but I associate buds with budding, and it pretty much is the same concept when it comes to our hair. And there's the story. I went for a retightening one day, and my loctician was telling me my locks were budding. He showed it to me, and on the end was this little tiny spiral of hair, but it was just hanging there. And she told me that I should not pull it off, but I should leave it there, or I could just push it up into the lock. And so that's what I was doing. And one day I was walking down the hallway. I started talking to one of the janitorial staff, someone that's really near and dear to me. She just looked up and she said, "Oh, something's hanging on your hair." And before I could say a word, she plucked it right off. And all I could do was laugh. I just laughed, guys. And then after that, I told her that was supposed to stay there. She was like, "Oh, I'm so sorry." But I didn't hold it against her. She's such a sweetheart. I've noticed that from wrapping my hair around that bun at the top, that my hair does look straighter. I like it. I like it. But budding is a part of our process. It could be annoying to you to see these little things hanging down from your hair, but it just tells you something. It says, I'm trying to lock. And that's what budding is all about. I'm gonna put this hat on and see what it looks like. It's pretty much an inexpensive hat. Didn't come with a lining. I used some fabric glue and I glued the lining into my hat in order to make it safe for me to wear so it doesn't dry out my Sisterlocks. I think I can do this. What do you think? My hair covers my ears and my hat covers the top of my head. I think I'm missing something. Just a tad bit of color. Yeah. Trying to see how this is going to work. How am I going to do this? I think I'm going to do it just like this. And this is my hairstyle for today. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God, because He's been so good to me. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. And keep warm. Oh, I forgot. should have done a 360 because I said I would every time.